G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to get a haircut and it's a style of haircut that I haven't had in a few years. I'm gonna get a fresh fade. The sides and the backs will be shaved. In fact, I'll be showing my barber this photo. As you can see, there's a bit of length on top still and the sides are quite short. So that is the style I'm gonna go for. For the last few years, I've had long hair and even now, although it's a bit shorter, there is still quite a lot of length. So it's gonna be a new style for me for a while. So we'll go to my barber, show him the photo, and let's see how close he gets to that style. Alright guys, I am back from the barber and he has done a pretty good job, I think. Length on top, really tight fade everywhere else. And yeah, more or less similar to this photo that I showed him. And this is essentially the same haircut, just wearing it in different ways, and that's what I can do with this haircut. I can wear it back, I can wear it to this side, I can wear it to the other side. So yeah, a real versatile haircut, length on top, tight on the back and the sides. More or less what I wanted, so I'm pretty happy. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And before I go, I just wanted to show you what it looks like straight out of the shower. So I've shampooed it 2 or 3 times, I've conditioned, and then I've blow dried. And as you can see, there's height, It's a sleek haircut. It sits naturally either that way, or I can change it up and go the other way. And obviously it's gonna hold with some product a lot better. So yeah, guys, tell me what you think. Oh, by the way, that's how high it sits up there, so there's still length, but then I've still got that tight finish on the sides and on the back. So all in all, a good haircut that will get me through the next few weeks before I have to get it redone. Anyway, thank you all for watching as usual. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you all next time.